How to download Car Mechanic Simulator on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your web browser and simply search for Car Mechanic Simulator. So here you can find different versions of the game. So just choose the one that you want to download. And after you're there, you will see the Steam version. So you can head over to the Steam website from here, and after you're on the Steam website, scroll down and add it to cart. It's that simple. Now let me show you the same process in Steam itself. After you're on Steam, simply search for Car Mechanic Simulator, and after you search for it, you will see its price. You will see its different versions. You will see the Ultimate 201. So just download whichever you want. You can even download the demo version. So simply tap on add to cart, and after you add it to your cart, what you can do is you can head over to your cart. So let me just head over to my cart, and after you're on your cart, you can go through the checkout process. After you tap on checkout, you should be able to download the game. So let me view my cart, and there you'll see continue to payment method on the right hand side. Simply add it to your, you can head over to the continue payment method and then continue to pay, and you're good to go. And that's how you download Car Mechanic Simulator on your PC. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.